Welcome to the course. This course explores the fundamental relationship between data and machine learning, programming languages that power ML development, and specialized tools across various AI domains. In this part, we will explore the fundamentals of machine learning, its techniques, and its diverse applications. By the end of this presentation, you will have a clearer understanding of what machine learning is and how it impacts various fields.
Let's start with the basics. Machine learning, or ML, is a subset of artificial intelligence, which makes computers appear intelligent by mimicking human cognitive abilities. While AI covers a broad range of technologies, ML specifically focuses on using algorithms to learn from data, enabling computers to make decisions without explicit instructions. Artificial intelligence includes various fields such as computer vision and natural language processing. Within AI, machine learning stands out as it relies on algorithms and requires feature engineering. Deep learning, a more advanced subset of ML, employs layered neural networks to automatically extract features from complex, unstructured data, making it particularly powerful for tasks like image and speech recognition, and make decisions based on the data they analyze. This ability allows machines to improve their performance over time without human intervention,